All right, we're getting somewhere. So we got kind of a grid, and we have kind of a pulsing around the borders between the void and non-void regions, and we also have delineation between individual rooms of a level pack. Let's look at the code involved with that. So inside of the ARTGIRL shader macros, we've added this little define here for 63 unsigned. In ARTGIRL shader strings within fragment shader 8, which is our bombs for Josh shader, within the main function, we have set this default frag color to black, and then in label your units, asshole, we have this G25 value, which is the one-dimensional version of RO5 right here. And then we also have a flag to let us know if we're in a void room, a flag to let us know if the tile is on the edge of a room. And then down here in draw edges with V16, we're going to convert the RO5 XY value on our 5x5 grid of levels. We're going to convert that value into a G25 one-dimensional value so that we can use the G25 to void lookup table to get whether or not we're in a void room. Also, we want to know if we're on an edge. So if we are on an edge, then this is the tile value we're going to use, and we're going to say that we're on an edge. Otherwise, this is the tile value, and we're going to say we're on an edge. Now, these lower tile values that are 0 to 7 inclusive are going to be more white, so we're going to use them to render the tile space. Now, if we are on a void room, if we're in a void room, we're going to invert our tile value and add 1 from experimentation that just looked better. And then we're going to do this little piece of logic to make the edges between the void rooms and the non-void rooms, make those edges kind of strobe. So we're going to take the ticker, and on every odd tick, this will be 1. On every even tick, this will be 0 with this mask. And then we'll only do this kind of strobing with the minus if we are also on an edge, right? Because if we're not on an edge, this will be 0, and then this math won't be strobing anymore, if that makes any sense. I can't articulate it very well, but this is what makes the strobing. This makes the strobing. Let's get the fuck out of here. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are here. We just don't have time here. I'm sorry. Source code's here. Ways to get a hold of me are here. Like and subscribe. Send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.